Okay, so one of the things I didn't like about the Quadlock car mount that I've got here is that it was very hard to do up and undo. Like, doing up's not too bad, but you can see here you don't have much grip, and undoing it wasn't so good, and doing it up is very tight. So I'm going to do a mod on this and show a better sort of mount to use when you want to mount your Quadlock accessories in your car. So let's have a look here. Let's get down here. So I've got my car mount, like so, Quadlock case. Now I'll just show you on this piece of plastic here how it mounts. So say this is on your windscreen here. The problem I have with this is it's really hard to turn the knob to get it to. I'm putting a fair bit of force there. Really, like most of the time I cannot get it to the position it needs to lock. Seriously, I cannot do it. And I'm fairly strong. You can see there. Well, okay, it sort of works a little bit there, but it will just come off. Now, what I do like though is the GoPro mounts. So I've got my GoPro mount here. I use this all the time. You can see it's getting rusty. It's been in the water in Bali and everything. And these work really well. So you just press down on the. I'll just move this out of the way so you can have a look. This is the old mount. You press down that and you move the lever up. And it works perfectly. It's really strong. I can't get that off. So I was thinking, I should be able to modify this and put my quad lock on. So what I did, if you look at the, I'll show a link to where I did a mount, so you can mount the camera on the chest strap, and it shows you how I modified this little adapter here that you can buy online for a couple of dollars. And this is the cornerstone of how you get this working. So what you do is you put this little bit on the GoPro. Let's take this off. Get this on here. Put that little bit on, and then basically it turns into a tripod type adapter. Let's see if we can line these up properly and get it back on here. Alright. Shouldn't have taken it off. Now I need a screwdriver. That's right. We'll just leave it here like this for now. Need a screwdriver in the middle there. Actually, I might grab that off here. Oops, sorry guys. This one's probably a bit better. Come on, in you get. Alright, let's do it up with this one. Alright, so you get your put your tripod adapter on here, and you've got the quarter inch thread. And then you can do all sorts of things. Now one I like the most is I've got little Manfrotto ball and socket joint here, ball and socket head, and this works perfectly. So what you can do is put this on here, the 1/4 inch, do it up, and then you can pretty much move this around everywhere with the ball and socket head. So what you do next, grab the Quadlock tripod adapter here, put it on the top. The good thing about the ball and socket head is you can line it up and get everything all lined up properly. So let's have a look. It's probably easier to see on the side here. There we go. So you can sort of see here, you can move it anywhere you like, and it works a treat. So then you put your phone case on, and there you have it. This is a much better solution, I think. So you have that on your windscreen, and then you can move this around wherever you like. You can take photos and video in portrait for Instagram, or landscape for YouTube, and you can just line it up everywhere. And you can make this, what I'll do is I'll lay this down a bit so you can see how small you can make it. I'd probably recommend getting a smaller ball and socket joint, so that's about the smallest you can get it. So it's a bit bigger than mounting it directly on the Quadlock one, the car mount. But as I said, it's just, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know whether I'll email Quadlock and see if I can send it back or what to do with it, because it just doesn't work, whereas this works perfectly. So get a little piece of plastic here and we'll get it on here and do that, press down on that, beautiful solid base, and there we go. You've got yourself a nice versatile mount now that will fit in your car, on the dash. If you've got like a perfectly flat dash, you'd need on the windscreen, and there we go. You can also tether it and that sort of thing, so it doesn't fall off. If it does fail, I've seen a few fail videos of the GoPro suction cups. They got a new version now, and whether it's actually better, but yeah. So there we go. Didn't have my camera on, did I? That's cool. You don't want to see my ugly mug anyway. Let's turn it off. Go full screen. So there we go, guys. What do you think of that? I reckon that is a much better solution. So we get it all done like that now. And that is a much better solution, I think, to mount it than the silly Quadlock one that doesn't. We can see here. It doesn't. It's not completely flat. It's got a curve on it. So how's that going to lay flat on your windscreen properly? It just won't. Whereas the GoPro one's just been tried and tested, used all over the world, and much better solution. And yeah, the new type, you can make it a bit shorter. Where are we here? On here you can take it off there and put it directly, this part, onto there, so it makes it a bit more compact as well. So this is a little bit too big, but it'll do the job, and it'll do a much better job than the Quadlock one, because I'm always afraid it's going to fall off and break my phone, that one. So there you go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to check my other videos out. I'll put links up there. You can just follow along, and I'll see you next time, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, bye.